now I'm nearly ready with my pots getting filled up to think about what I'm going to grow. And really it depends on three things. It will depend on how much space you've got. It will depend on what you can get in the way of seeds and plants to put in your little bed. And it will depend on what you want to grow. If you want to grow flowers, that's lovely. And if you've only got small buckets or small pots, then flowers will do really well because you'll be there to water them. They'll be fine. We've already done some flowers together. Do you remember the marigolds, lavatera, poached eggplant, all the easy to sow plants? Now, if you haven't seen that video, where have you been? Okay, have a look through, you'll find it. So those are going in my pots. I know you guys will want to grow Jack and the Beanstalk beans. And that's fine, we can do that. You will need some big sticks or canes to grow them up. So we will do some big runner beans, but if you haven't got much room, you can get a small variety that only grow this high, French beans, and they're actually much tastier, I think. You let me know what you think. I wanted to grow sweet corn, and I could grow it in a bag this size, but it will get very, very big. And to be honest, there's not much room around here already. And if I trip over, you guys will laugh at me. I know you will. So I might grow sweet corn. I'm thinking about it. I'd love to grow a pumpkin, but one pumpkin plant would take up all of this space. So I'm going to leave that one for the allotment or for a bigger garden. Okay. I'm going to grow tomatoes. I haven't grown tomatoes from seed before. Somebody usually very kindly gives me some plants. So we'll give those a try. And I think they'll be okay in these big pots. So that's what I'm thinking for there. We're going to grow carrots. And it doesn't matter what variety you want to grow, but in a box like this or a tub, you can get varieties that don't grow very long. This one is Chantenay Red Cord, and they grow about that big, so they'd be nice, and they grow quite quickly and you can eat them small, so that's ideal. Swiss chard is a nice one because you can use it for lots of different things, and you cut it and it grows back again, and you cut it and it grows back again, so that's quite a useful one. And courgette, definitely we're going to grow courgette. And you can get nice golden ones. You don't have to have green because they get quite big. You'll only need probably one plant. So I think that again is going to go in a tub. A lot of these we can start off in the pots already. But because I need now to go and get more compost and more soil and build it up, I'm going to plant what I can when I can. So I might start courgettes off in pots, so that by the time I've got my big pot ready, I can just pop it in. It's up to you. If you've got your pots already filled and you've got the compost there, fantastic, go for it. So today, let's do carrots. Let's get started. Shake the seeds so they go down to the bottom. And I'm just going to make a little trench. I'm going to go that way. Oh, I'm going to grow lettuce and spring onion in here as well. I think I've left those seeds at the allotment. I'll have to get them. But spring onions are nice because they're very quick and, again, nice with salads, and we're getting warm weather. There are my carrot seeds. Pinch your fingers and just drop them in. Simple as that. Now that row that I just moved the soil across to make, I didn't even really dig it. It's about 1 centimetre deep. And that will be fine. Mother Nature will sort this all out for us, you know. And then pinch your fingers and bring it across. Do you know what? I've just realised that bucket was there. Did you see that okay? Let me move it. Sorry guys. So there's my trench. I've sprinkled in the seeds all the way along, and then pinch your fingers, you know what to do. There we go. I must put a label in there, otherwise I'll come back tomorrow and think, oh, I'll put lettuce in, and I'll go for exactly the same space. You know what I'm like. So I'm off to go and get my spring onion seeds and my lettuce seeds, and then I will add those rows in later. And you know that my next job is to water those seeds. Remember, they like a drink. They don't want a bath.